King. Running outside Imperial Queen while Best Shot is running on the tail of the field towards half mile. Is the favorite comeback stronger. Leads by some 2 lengths, followed by Olympic Lady in second, and 2 lengths followed by in third, Malabon King, then followed by Imperial Queen. While Best Shot still running in the tail of the field, and as they race the corner now, comeback stronger, leads the back now by Alenker. Anyhow, and here comes Malabon King, try to get closer now for the outside second. Challenge for the back to Imperial Queen, then followed by Olympic Lady. And towards the final turn, come back stronger. Malabon King now for the outside Imperial Queen. Then followed by Olympic Lady and Best Shot, but he still come back stronger. And on for the inside Malabon King, but he still come back stronger, leads by 5 lengths now and winning the first race. Come back stronger. Second goes to Malabon King, Imperial Queen, Best Shot, Olympic Lady.
Racing just started very Factor break quickly at the start, rushing up down on the inside is Ginebra. Alongside comes Rocking Bell, next in line now is Sampalox Pride, and on the outside is Unafraid, while Destin Guess is the early trailer. Half-mile distance they traveled very big. Factor Sampalox Pride rushing it in the middle portion, and on the outside now is Rocking Bell, then 2 lengths back and forth comes Unafraid. Ginebra comes next, while Destin Guess is still rushing, is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have AB Factor is still in control. It's whirling anyhow. Rocking Bell is on the outside second. Sampalox Pride comes next. Unafraid, Ginebra, and Destin Guess as they swing for home. We have AB Factor by about 2 lengths. Rocking Bell remains in second with about 100 meters of the race. AP Factor now racing away. And finally, we have AP Factor. Second, Rocking Bell. Third, Destin Guess, Ginebra, Unafraid, Sampalox Pride.
Horses out, ikot lang. Best of again, moving about the answer is Mark Julian, justifiable. Steady cut comes next, ikot lang is Mark Julian, fighting it out for a leader. And in third, justifiable, steady cut alongside Batas Kamao is Mark Julian by a neck. Down on the inside is ikot lang, then 4 lengths away in third, justifiable. Batas Kamao is steady cut, and a long way back to Regal. Now we have is Mark Julian takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Iikot lang, dress back in second, Batas Kamao in third. Justifiable is steady cut. And it's still is Mark Julian enjoying a length lead. Iikot lang still in second, Batas Kamao and Justifiable. But it still is Mark Julian by about a length on the outside. Iikot lang as the field turns for home with his Mark Julian now by about 2.5 lengths. Iikot lang, Justifiable, steady cut. And it still is Mark Julian, iikot lang on the outside. But it still is Mark Julian, iikot lang on the outside. Is Mark Julian doing it from his start to finish. Second, iikot lang. Steady cut, Justifiable, close, Batas Kamao.
Away they go now. Cassius King rushing up away. Nobody outside, and followed by Magnifico. Is Rockaway with a length and a half lead, followed by Cassius King. Then 2 lengths for the back to Magnifico. Here comes El Mundo Fantastic Silver. While Foodish Life is running in the tail of the field, past half-mile, Rockaway. John's in front, Cassius King, nobody outside second. then 4 lengths for the back to Magnifico, then followed by El Mundo, and towards the last 400. It is the Rockaway, still in front by line, followed by Cassius King, and Magnifico remains in third by the 5 lengths. Here comes El Mundo, followed third now is Rockaway and Cassius King. Now for the outside and down the stretch they go. Is Rockaway and Cassius King for the outside. Magnifico down for the inside El Mundo. But it's still Rockaway, Cassius King, Magnifico, El Mundo. But it's still Rockaway. And finally, it's going to be close. Cassius King, Rockaway, Magnifico, El Mundo. Ah. They're up. Archie Holly axis deviation. Moving up in the middle, right answer. Hot Rod Hearts also showing speed now. Is no axis deviation. Leads the pack well and Kanya followed by Hot Rod Hearts in the middle now is right answer. Then Chillings for the back. Archie Holly then followed by You Never Know. While Magical Sub is running in the tail of the field and as they race the quarter. Now pass stepping, Axis deviation, still in front, 2 lengths lead from Hot Rod Horse. Then followed by right answer, here comes Magical Sub in the middle now. Is You Never Know, running by Vilachi Holly, and towards the last 400, Hot Rod Horse now takes the lead over Axis deviation. Right answer for the outside, You Never Know, running by Vilachi Holly. While Magical Sub is now running on the tail of the field down the stretch they go. It is still Hot Rod Horse, leads Malang now, followed by Axis Deviation, right answer, G. Holly, You Never Know, Magical Sub, and finally, Hot Rod Horse, right answer, close, G. Holly, and You Never.
Racing just is started with a scramble in front position, moving up. Amazing Cold, then moving up for the outside now is Jumbo, rise up, Navy Cut comes next, Solution, blown away, yakapin mo ako, while Mount Amandi Wing is the early trailer, half-mile distance, they travel Jumbo, now takes command by about 3 lengths, some Cold is right behind in second, then 2 lengths back in third, comes Rise Up, moving up down on the inside is Solution, together with Blown Away. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Jumbo enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Awesome Cold remains in second. Then moving up down on the inside now is the Rise Up together with Solution Navy Cut. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Jumbo down on the inside now is Amazing Cold. Rise Up now moving up on the outside. We have Jumbo, Amazing Cold. Rise Up now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Rise Up over Jumbo and finally Rise Up Jumbo Navy Cut. Then comes Awesome Cold. Racing just is started with Smiling Lady. Break quickly to start. Rushing up on the outside. Sinag then followed now by Lowell Strike. Moving up in the middle portion is the Ginding. Alongside comes Bloomies and going along for the first turn. 2 runners keep on by the road for the lead. Smiling Ladies running by the rail. And on the outside is Sinag. Then 5 lengths further back in third. Comes Bloomies. Next in line is the Ginding Magnolia. Ashley comes next. Double Strike. Moving up down on the inside now is Bagay na Bagay. Next in line is Jade's Treasure while Majestic Star is racing in last inside the Tres Octavo with Smiling Lady and Sinag are fighting around for the lead. Then 5 lengths further back in third, moving up is a Double Strike and on the outside is a Blue Miss. Bagay na Bagay, Magnolia, Ashley, Majestic Star rushing up down on the inside and they are now entering the home stretch with Smiling Lady enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Then find some opening down on the inside is Majestic Star. Majestic Star, Smiling Lady. Double strike is on the outside. Last 100 meters. We have Majestic Star by about 3 lengths. Entering the finish line, the curtain closer. Majestic Star second. Double strike, then comes Smiling Lady.